Hey guys, so I'm just gonna go over Google Maps driving tips, driving direction tips. So basically, what does this do? It helps Google understand there's people that are driving from certain areas to your business, and also it's helpful for your customers if they land on your page and they say, okay, driving directions from, let's say, this very densely populated area to your business. Then they could just click either the link to drive there, or you could also embed the map on your website, which is what I'm going to do in this video. So the two options, basically, if you have a city page basically means that it's a page for that Google business profile for that city that it's located in. In that case, you don't need multiple driving directions. You can do it, but I would just suggest just do one from the main city to your location. Let's say you're like a tire shop or a car repair mechanic or even a restaurant. You could do something like this. Let's say you're in between three cities, so you could literally create driving directions from city 1, driving directions from city 2, driving directions from city 3, all to your business location. That's one way to do it. Obviously, like I mentioned, for businesses that already have that page just for that city, and we don't need all this other stuff. Yeah, we'll just create one. All right, so let's go to the example. All right, so this is my own business, so local SEO agency San Jose. As you can see here, this is what a driving direction looks like. It just shows that, okay, from the center of San Jose, the city, it's gonna go to my location, and that's the driving direction. So you could add this to your city pages, basically the page dedicated for your business in that city. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go through the how to actually do this. All right, so we're gonna go here to Maps. This is Google Maps. All right, so you want to get to this part here. If you can't get to this part where you're gonna choose the city and then your location, let's go one more. You just got to go to Google Maps. So let's do Google Maps. All right, so once you're here on Google Maps, you're gonna click here Google Maps, or you're gonna go to your applications and go down to Maps. All right, so we're just gonna go and click this one. Okay, so we're back here. I just wanted you to show you the step-by-step. So we're back here. Here you could, it's not doing it for me right now because I have two similar locations. So let's do San Jose, California, or let's just do San Jose, CA, to Salazar Digital Marketing. See, it's already kind of popping up here. All right, so we're gonna do that. And that's where you get this form here. If you don't get it, you could just select driving. Like you just look up your business, select driving directions, and then you'll get to this point. So here you could change this city or change the location. We're just gonna use San Jose. You could add other locations, but we don't want to do that. That's like stops. So we're gonna put San Jose and our business, right? That's where our business is located. Here you can see the three options of driving directions it gives you. So this is the one I was talking about. Like you could just copy the link and put it on your website. Let's say if you're driving from this very populated community to your business, you could just put the link, people click the link and go over. Or you can do it this way where you go into this here and you could either put preview or details. Go to details, and this will give you the breakdown of how to get to your location, right? So you could either add that as well, or yeah, you could just add it as well. But I like to just go here to this one. If you can see this, basically the sharing one, and here it'll share the link. But I want to do an embed, so let's go embed a map. So once you go to the embed a map, it'll give you the HTML. So this is HTML. You could insert it in any type of website as long as you're able to insert HTML, which is all the websites. So yeah, just select whether you want it small, medium, large. All right, so let's say we want to just create a medium map. So you're just going to copy the HTML, go into your website builder, whatever you're using, insert the HTML, and then it's going to display like this. That's pretty much it for this. Like I said, you could also add the step-by-step on how to get there. And for a business that has multiple cities around them, I think that's a little bit better, because then you could, if you have like, let's say, 4 different maps, it might be very crowded. So maybe you want to break it down to like just the links to the maps from different locations or different cities to your business, right? So that's pretty much how to create driving directions, and you could just embed those on those pages that are designated for that business profile. All right, that's pretty much it. I hope this makes sense.